Okay, hi guys. So in our last video, we discussed the primitive data type. That's when we talk about the string. We spoke about the boolean, the number, the undefined, the big int, and so on. So now we'll be talking about objects. They are non-primitive data types, and they are dynamic, which means the properties can be added, they can be modified, they can be deleted. They are a collection of key value pairs actually. And let's bring it down to real life. That's when we talk about cars. Car is an object. People, animal, any other thing we could just mention. A car can have a name, a car can have manufacturer, a car can have color, and so on and so forth. So let's get straight into the business. To declare an object in JavaScript, we use the word const. Then we'll give the object, and let's say a car this time. Let's say const car. Then we'll say equals to. Then we'll start declaring the properties of that particular object. So this car has a name. The name should be what should we give for the name? Let's say Toyota. Then the car has a model. Let's say Matrix. Has a year. So sorry, it has a year. So let's call this 2024. 2024, the year is 2020. It's 2024. 2024. Okay, let's 2024. Yeah, 2024 is good. That'll be a good car. I think that'll be all majorly. That'll be all majorly for that particular car. Should we put? Let's put what's it called? Let's say what else? What else do we have in a car? The weight. Let's say the weight is it's 100. Okay, let's make it a string so I'll be able to put the kg, 800 kilogram. So if I come here and say console.log, and I say car.model, I save this and I come here and say node objects.js. You can see the car.model is what? Matrix. So from there, we'll be able to get the model of the car. So we're still going to talk about objects as a whole later. But for now, I just want to know how object works. Later on, we're going to discuss more about object. We're going to have a whole class that talks about object, a whole video, and right in the same series. And we'll talk more about object. We'll talk about adding to object, putting functions in object, and so on and so forth. So that'll be all for this. That'll be all for this session. So next we'll be talking about arrays. Thank you.